Click on Look Ahead Tasks to report any progress or issues with the forthcoming tasks. Since Look Ahead tasks are not yet due, they would normally not be progressed in the period. Although, that is still possible by using the hourglass icons on the right-hand side of the screen. More likely is that any known issues are raised and the activities are flagged for further attention. Similarly to the progress reporting on the focus tasks list, a task could be not started, in progress, and finished. Any reporting, if needed, is done in a similar way to the reporting on the focus tasks. Bear in mind that issues reported against tasks in the look-aheads are categorized as constraints, since they may prevent these future tasks from commencing or being completed as expected unless they are cleared ahead of the planned start date for the task. Finally, if you have made any updates, don't forget to save and upload your changes using the Upload button at the right top corner.